Hello, I'm Lam. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to review the brand new Kayali fragrance called Invite Only Amber 23, as well as comparing it to and telling you some of my favorite fall fragrances. I have been using it for a week now and I think I have the verdict on it. So first of all, let's get onto Sephora to read a little bit of info about this fragrance and then we'll get on to my experience with it. It retails for $138 for 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters. It has a smaller size for $100, 50 ml, 1.7 ounces. The size I have right here is the smaller size, the 10 ml for $27, which is the size that I recommend for you to get, especially because Kayali line is not going to be in Sephora in the physical store, so you cannot go in and smell it before you purchase. So get the small size, and if you fall in love, then get the full size. This is the 8th fragrance in the Kayali collection and the third Eau de Parfum Intense, a warm, seductive, and ultra-rich scent combining the sweet, deep, and voluptuous facets of amber and tonka. Crafted to be mouth-watering, this juice is incredibly long-lasting, leaving a hypnotic sillage. Wow, delicious description to be honest. This fragrance, the top notes are black cherry, honey, tobacco leaf, and chocolate hazelnut accord. Hard notes we have a rose and citrus. And then on the base note we have oud oil, musk, amber, benzoin, sandalwood, patchouli, and vanilla. Very warm, very spicy, kind of gourmand, but woody at the same time. Beautiful. Let me just get right into it. It has everything I like in the fragrance, but more. It has the strength, it has the projection, it has the longevity, pretty intense. So if you keep spray like 4 sprays on your body, everyone's gonna smell you. And it's going to last for 7 hours very strongly, and then it's going to wear off on your clothing. It's going to last for days. So it's kind of like the same concentration as Kayali's vanilla. Actually, all of Kayali fragrances last pretty long, to be honest, and I have reviews for all of them. You can check them out in the description box. Yeah, it has a woody undertone, so definitely amber is there. It's not burnt wood, so I don't hate it. I love this kind of wood. Warm and kind of wet because it has the benzoin and it has all the components that makes it a little bit more waxy and not even creamy, it's thick. Okay, it's like honey. Definitely not a lot of vanilla, which I like. Kayali has some incredible vanilla fragrances, but with this new one, I was hoping it's not going to be overly sweet, and it's not. So I'm glad. And I definitely got a little bit of a fruity note at the beginning, very faint of cherry. The cherry and the citrus note elevates the scent at the beginning. So you got a bright experience at the opening of the fragrance. But because it's a more heavier, thicker scent, it's not going to be bright and citrus, you know, it's not just like a fresh scent. It has those components like the wood, the amber, the vanilla to ground it down, and it has that freshness, a little bit citrus at the beginning. Dress up and it smells sexy but cozy at the same time. It's spicy, alluring, it's expensive. It's all the good words you can put into a fragrance. I really do like this. If you are a fan of Kayali fragrance and you want a new fall scent to add to your fragrance collection, this one is very great. I was worried it's going to be similar to Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper because it's also a spicy, darker, sweet scent. But no, it's not the same. The Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper, I have a review too about this, but it's a fun version of this and a sweeter version of the new Invite Only. This one is a more mysterious, more rich, luxurious sister of the two. A great alternative to the invite only one is going to be Replica Autumn Vibes. I have a review for this too. Very similar vibe. There's something in this that is so similar. It's also very fall. It's spicy but not overly spicy. It's woody, not as sweet as Invite Only, and I would say between the two I prefer Invite Only compared to Autumn Vibes, even though I love Autumn Vibes. It just, there is something about Invite Only that makes it a little bit more wearable to me and makes it more approachable. This one is definitely a delicacy, like you have to have a taste for it. Also in the Amber family, I have a review for this too, is Ambre Nuit from Christian Dior Paris, and this is the private blend. It's a lot brighter, it's less heavy, it's a more fragrance like. It's going to a different direction, whereas the Replica, Autumn Vibes, and Invite Only are in the same family. The classic La Vie Belle by Lancome, this is a cult favorite. It doesn't really have anything to do with Invite Only, but it's a very sweet and spicy scent that is flattering, long-lasting, and really strong projection, and it just makes me feel so cozy and so happy and warm. I love this one. If you have this and you know what I'm saying, that's it. And another one that I really like for the winter, this is a very affordable option, is San Francisco 250 by Zara. This is very affordable. It's kind of similar to La Vie Belle and Ambre Nuit, but it doesn't have the sweetness of La Vie Belle, and it has a little bit of a cooler touch than Ambre Nuit. It, again, is not really ambery, so I guess it's not really similar to Ambre Nuit. This one is more spicy, more masculine version of La Vie Belle, but I still really like this one for the winter. As you can see, I've used almost all of it. It's not the strongest and the most long-lasting scent, but if I keep spraying it on quite a bit at the beginning of the day, I find that it lasts well throughout the day anyway. And I have to pull this out more this year. This kind of weather today is so like cloudy and windy and kind of cold here in Washington, and it just makes me want to spray all of these fall fragrances and just make my house warm, you know. Especially with the more affordable one, I can spray my bed with this and it's so stunning, and it's just, I just love spraying my bed. Oh my god, I love this new Kayali one. Let me know in the comment section below, which are your favorite fall fragrances? Did you get the Invite Only and what do you think of it? Do you have any of these fragrances I'm talking about and what do you think of them? Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, if you find it helpful. Subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification button so you don't miss out on my future uploads. And have a great, cozy, safe day. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, please don't flop.